India's high-tech revenge, Operation Sindoor. After a brutal terror strike, India vowed revenge. What followed shocked the world. Codenamed Operation Sindoor, India unleashed a new era of warfare, not with armies, but with precision. Armed UAVs scouted deep inside enemy territory, marking targets with pinpoint accuracy. Eyes in the sky guided every strike. The missile power. Then came the steel thunder. Brahmos, the supersonic hunter. Scalp, a stealthy assassin, striking from hundreds of kilometers away. The surgical strikes. Targets vanished in fire and smoke. Precision meant no collateral damage. Speed meant no defense. In less than an hour, Operation Sindoor was complete. A clear message: India will strike back with technology, speed, and power. This was India's high-tech revenge.